Okay, this is, I guess, part one, but I've already completed it. Um, this is like the Wolf River Coil Sporty 40. I was on YouTube and I came across KB9 VBR, Michael. Came across his page where he makes one of these. I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll make one. So anyway, I made this one. And he got the plans basically from somebody named Gary, which is KI5GRD. And you can go to ki5grd.org, and he has like the plans for this on there. But this is my part one. I built it. I'll see if I can put in screenshots of my SWR. It's really good. I use a 17-foot whip. I got good SWRs with it. So, but I'm going to make another one, and the next one I'm going to make is going to be basically the same thing, but instead of the wires being in the center there, the magnet wire, I'm going to move them up. You can see where I drilled these holes already. So it's going to be raised up just a little bit. None of this is glued together yet. There's 13 wraps on here. I did use the calculator and it told me more, but when I built it, I had to, you can see I had to re-drill it and take some wraps off, and it worked out to be 13 exactly. So what I'm going to do with this one is, so I got 2 holes here drilled, 1 hole here drilled. This hole's not drilled. That's just a little mark. I was going to make a hole, but so I'm going to put a BNC right here, but it's going to be looking almost like this, but this is big. The BNC is much smaller, but it's basically like this. So you got your center conductor and your shield. And so what I'll do is I'll figure out where it's going to sit. I'll flatten this out so it'll sit flat. I'll drill a little hole, and then I'll run my wire through here, the magnet wire through here and out that hole. And when it comes out that hole, I will solder it to here and then push it all back in. I'm probably gonna solder something onto here too, the shield, but I'll see how I can get in there. I haven't done this yet, I haven't made it. So I'll push it all the way through, bolt it down. This will be glued already, so it won't move. And the wire is gonna come through here, do my 13 wraps. It'll go back in here, it'll come out here and go up to the, in between these 2 nuts, basically like right here. Goes in. This would be where the BNC is though, instead of it coming straight down to here. So the BNC will be completely separated from this. It'll come out, wrap 13 times, go in, come out, and go up. It'll be just like that. But this one, I also added this ring terminal, which will fit a banana plug. So that'll be my counterpoise. But now I have to hook up the counterpoise. So that's the shield here. So when I have this won't be glued yet at the top. I'll put a ring terminal or something on that bolt. It'll stick up. The BNC will go in, the wire will be through, but I won't wrap it yet. Then I'll have to get in here very carefully and solder a wire from the shield to the bolt. That'll connect it to here. Right? So once I get that all done, then I can glue this on, do my wraps, hook it up to here, and I'll pretty much be done. There may be one more thing I do, which will be, I may do this, I don't know, but when the wire from the BNC comes through here, I may sand some of the wire here so I can make a contact and have another banana plug come out over here somewhere. That'll be so that, or just a bolt, just a like a little tiny little bolt to stick out. This way I can take some what are they called, the little connectors, little alligator clips. I can clip it here, so I'll show you on this one. This will be where the BNC is, right? But there'll be a little post right here or something. I can clip it there and then clip it to here. I'll sand this. Then I'll bypass the 40. So I'll have my 17-foot whip and I can bypass the 40 for the other bands, and then I could just take that off and I'm back to 40. Hopefully that'll be the way it works. I've only been doing this for about a year now, year and a half, ham radio stuff, and I'm obsessed with it. So that's the plan for the next video. So keep a lookout. That will be coming up as soon as I get the parts in the mail. I'll probably film it as I build it, and we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching.